Welcome to the SuiteCRM training playlist, where you'll learn everything from basics to advanced CRM customization. Let's start with day one and understand the core foundation of the system. Before we dive into automation or complex workflows, we need to understand the DNA of the system. Today, we'll cover the core building blocks of SuiteCRM: modules, labels, fields, relationships, layouts, and subpanels. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how data is structured and managed. Let's start with modules. Modules are the main categories where your data is stored. Accounts store company details. Contacts store individual people. Opportunities track sales deals. These modules are connected, helping you manage relationships between your data efficiently. Now let's move to customization. Click on the top right profile icon, then click on Admin in the Admin panel. Scroll to Developer Tools. Click on Studio. Now you'll see the Studio overview screen. From here, click on Accounts. Inside Accounts, you'll see options like labels, fields, relationships, layouts, and subpanels. First, let's understand labels. Labels are used to rename field titles and make them more user-friendly without changing the actual data. For example, instead of showing a technical name like LBL billing address, SuiteCRM displays a simple name like billing address. Next, click on Fields. This is the field section where you can view, create, and manage all fields along with their type and display name. To create a field, click on Add Field. SuiteCRM provides around 22 field types to store different kinds of data such as text, date, dropdown, and more. Now fill in all the required details like field name, display label, and settings. Once everything is completed, click Save to apply the changes. Also, in a standard setup, there are already multiple fields available to store important information. Now go to Relationships. This section allows you to connect modules. Click on Add Relationship. You will see three types: one-to-one. One module is linked to one module. One-to-many. One module is linked to multiple modules. Many-to-many. Multiple modules are linked on both sides. For example, one account can have multiple calls, so we use one-to-many. After selecting, click Save and Deploy. Now let's understand layouts in a practical way by opening each one. First, we have the Edit view, which is used when creating or editing a record, where you can drag and drop fields, arrange them into sections, and design a clean form. Next is the Detail view, which is a read-only screen where users can see complete information in a well-structured format. Then we have the List view, which displays all records in a table, allowing you to choose and arrange columns for easy scanning. After that is Quick Create, which helps users quickly add records with only the most important fields. Next is SuiteCRM Dashlet, which is used to display module data on the dashboard for quick insights. Then we have the Popup view, which appears when selecting records from another module and lets you control visible and searchable fields. Finally, the Filter option allows users to search and filter records easily by selecting specific fields. By customizing these layouts, you can improve both user experience and data management in SuiteCRM. Here you can see all available subpanels like documents, contacts, opportunities, cases, and more, which you can select and customize to control how related modules appear inside an account record. Now let's quickly go through some important do's and don'ts that will help you work with SuiteCRM more effectively and avoid common mistakes. Starting with the do's, always prefix your custom fields and modules with a unique identifier, like your company or project name. This helps prevent naming conflicts and keeps your system organized. Next, make sure all your custom code is placed inside the custom directory, such as custom extension or custom modules, and avoid modifying core files to ensure smooth upgrades in the future. Also, whenever you make any changes, don't forget to run Quick Repair and Rebuild from the Admin panel. This step refreshes the system and applies your updates correctly. Now coming to the don'ts, avoid deleting fields that already contain data. Instead, hide them from layouts first and safely migrate the data before removing them. Do not create relationships using direct SQL queries. Always use SuiteCRM Studio or the official APIs to maintain system stability. And finally, never share admin credentials. Use role-based access control, like Security Suite, to manage permissions securely. Let's quickly recap. Modules are your data categories, labels control field names, fields store your data. Relationships connect modules, layouts control display, subpanels show related data. Once you understand these basics, working in SuiteCRM becomes much easier. In the next session, we'll explore customize existing modules without touching code. Stay tuned.